Sunday, and I came to the beach to unwind. Paya house. Paya house. What did you say?
I said antique and great cornrow. From the look of things.
Antique and
Great cornrow.
what's that?
Antique there. African woman.
Okay.
Did you see it?
No.
Don't say it.
Nah.
Right.
Time I've not reached. See people inside.
Should I push it?
I begin to
from Temu. I got about 4 items and the delivery was quite fast. So this is a shoe dog. It's like a shoe eraser used to, clean your sneakers, your shoes, or anything. So I'm going to try it on my sneakers and then I'll see how it works. So this is how it looks. So I'll just get my sneakers now. I have my sneakers already with me here. Let's look for a stain. So there's a stain here. Well, it worked. So this is shoe dog. You can get this. I think this is an essential for going out in your handbag. It's very easy for you to wipe off dead stain from your shoes. Secondly, I got this. This is an hair growth oil. So I don't have front hair. In as much as I cut my hair every now and then, in a year I can cut my hair like 2 to 3 times and my hair grows very fast. But you see my front hair, it's a problem. So before I start using this product, I'm going to snap my hair and so I can actually see the results, the outcome, and see if it's actually working or not. So this is the banana oil, and I think it was made from palm kernel. For those of you in Nigeria, I'm sure you know what palm kernel is. So yeah, this fruit over here is palm kernel. So third on my list, I got this play suit. Summer is approaching. Yeah, so I just got these lovely play suits. I'm going to get more of this. I wanted to get one first to see if I would like it, then I can get them in different colors. Got this romper. I got it in size small. Then last on my list, I got these anti-blue glasses. I didn't bring my own. I had in Nigeria, so I had to order for another one. I even ordered for another one, but I look good. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of my Temu haul. I'm going to be doing out of everything I got, I feel so excited about these glasses. I don't know, for some reasons I love glasses. I don't wear medicated glasses, no, but I just love glasses, and I don't know how effective this one is going to be, if it's really anti-blue, because I have anti-blue in Nigeria, but while traveling I forgot to come with it, and that one usually helps me at night. I don't have an issue with my eyes though, but sometimes when I look into my screen for the longest, I tend to feel headache, or I tend to reduce my screen light so it doesn't really affect my eyes that much. So I just try as much as possible to use anti-blue to prevent the lights, So yeah, I'm going to be doing more hauls because I still have more products coming in. So for now, am I satisfied with what Temu brought for me? Yes, I am satisfied. Thank you to Bye.